na-charge ako ng mas malaki. 56 yung na-charge sa akin. So, buti na lang chinek ko. So, hi guys! We're here in K-pop chicken. Korean kitchen. Hi, Aso. What are you having? What are you having?
I forgot.
What's this? This is tteokbokki. You don't know what it is? How's the taste?
Sweet, spicy.
Sweet and spicy. And what's this one?
This is fish.
You don't know?
You know?
You don't know again? It's fish cake. And this is their menu. We've had tteokbokki. You have option of small, medium, and large. We only had the small one. They also have sweet and spicy chicken, fritters. We had fish cake. We're just curious to try. Pero iba yung nasa picture, tas compared sa kinalabasan. Expectation versus reality. Char! They also have steamed dumplings, Korean noodles, chicken with rice, bulgogi, kapbap, spicy chicken kapbap, kimbap. Actually, medyo na-tempt ako na umorder neto. Kaya lang, ang mahal eh. 26.9, di ba? And we had lunch already. Are you enjoying your food?
It's Korean.
So this is their shop. K-pop chicken. They don't have much on the display. So this is yung kanilang small, medium, large. So yung K-pop Korean kitchen is inside the grocery store. Oh, by the way, we also tried this aloe vera. It's really nice, no? Yung tteokbokki nila, kaya ko yung anghang. Usually I don't really eat spicy stuff, no? Pero this one I can. Also, one more thing guys, I'll show you. Well, my husband is eating. So here, we tried the mixed rice nung sa nene chicken. And I like the mixed rice. So here I found the Jangsu mixed rice. So green 22, 42 dirham siya. Ganito siya kalaki. 1 kilo na siya. Yan. So bumili ako nito just to try it. So they have matcha here if you're looking for matcha. Yay! Naghanap ako ng matcha ice cream. Kaya lang wala eh. Meron silang ice cream, tomato ice cream. Ito siya. Pero, yan. Meron sila yung jajang ramen. It's 14.54. Gusto ko itong matikman. And kimchi ramen. They also have bulgogi ramen. Masarap ba yan?
남들보다 조시한 사람 노래가 세례 불러봐 수많은 연인도가 on the way
Medyo nakakailang Guys, bumili ako ng mixed rice. Yun yung binili ko. Actually, 42 dirhams lang to. Tapos, na-charge ako ng mas malaki. 56 yung na-charge sa akin. So, buti na lang chinek ko yung pricing. Sabi ko, bakit ako yung sa nakalagay dun sa inyong shelves is 42 dirhams lang. Tapos, na-charge ako ng 54. Lumapit lang ako dun sa cashier. Sabi ko, bakit nga kami na-charge ng mas malaki? Nagtawag ng help yung cashier. Pero yun, binigyan na lang nila ako ng cash dun sa sumobra na charge. Saka pinakita ko din nga na dun sa shelf is 42 dirhams lang. Yung apparently, mali yung na-charge ni ate cashier. So, yung na-charge niya is grain 15, pero this one is grain 22. Yun lang ang ating chismis ngayon. Guys, pag naghahanap kayo ng anong tawag dun? Japshe?
Japche.
I think it's this one. Ito yata yung pang japshe. Meron sila. Guys, what's this? This is
Dongwon canned snail.
Dongwon canned snail. How much is it? Itong can na yan? 50 dirhamo.
Typo eh.
Oh.
Canned pupa.
Silkworm. Yan guys, baka gusto nyo silkworm. Mura lang siya guys. 840. Ano mahal?
Sure.
Kung gusto nyo yung may sauce yan.
Yan.
Yan may sabaw. Oceans. Tingnan natin. So magiging ganyan kagwapo pag kumain ka nito. Green cacao. Ay, sesame seed. Ang mahal nito guys. 51 siya. Pero nakalagay siya sa promotion.
On sale.
Wow. Yan.
Ponzu sauce.
Ano to? 51 to. Beef leg bone marrow. Wow. So we went here. So let's go home guys. I'll take you home with me. So this is Dubai. This is the life of the Papio family. Char. Malapit lang din siya sa metro. Walking distance. Naglakad lang kami. So, bababa lang kayo sa Shurab Easy. Then, lalakad lang kayo palikod. Galing kong Google Map nyo na lang, guys. Pero malapit nga lang siya. Malapit lang siya sa metro. And, ayan na yung metro, guys. Sabi sa inyo, malapit lang siya sa metro. So, ayan. I've got this huge box for free! So, i-unbox natin tong box na to. Wow! May in-order ako sa Amazon. Tapos, I think yun yung, hair dryer. It's either yung hair dryer or yung hard drive ko. Tapos, may promotion nun yung Amazon na may cashback sila for Emirates NBD user. So, kaya nagkaroon ako ng 59 dirhams na gift card. Yay! So, nag-place ako ng order yesterday and it's next day delivery din. Kasi 14 dirhams yung next day delivery. Tapos, 45 dirhams yata itong in-order ko na to. Pero wala akong binayaran. Lahat yun free lang dahil sa gift card ko from Amazon. Thank you so much, Amazon! Hindi na ako makita kasi yata ako sa loob ng box. Ayan. Para mas maganda na yung pailaw natin pag nagpi-film tayo. Oh my God, ang laki. Ang laki pala nito. Tingnan nyo, mas malaki pa sa akin. Okay. Ito actually, hinahanap ko to kasi nga masyadong harsh yung ilaw ng ring light ko. So, I was looking for a diffuser. So, this will be nice. Shopping festival ngayon. Kaya, nakuha ko din ata ito ng sale. Paano ko ito babalik? Ay, nangangain ng tanga to. Di ko mabalik, guys. Tatanungin ko na yung asawa ko. Baka masira ako pa. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you are notified whenever I upload new videos. Don't forget to subscribe!
Then you know what? 나만 빼고